Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about mint, specifically spearmint. So when you refer to mint in general, usually people are referring to spearmint. So that's what the focus is in this video. And I've got a list of food and flavor combinations that are known to work well with mint, spearmint. So if you're looking for some specific recipe or meal ideas, hopefully this should help you out. Combine mint or spearmint with artichokes and chilies, mint with balsamic vinegar and berries, mint with balsamic vinegar, peaches, and ricotta cheese, mint with bell peppers, chilies, garlic, papaya, and pineapple, mint with cardamom, ginger, and lemon, mint with chilies, cilantro, garlic, olive oil, and vinegar, mint with chilies, lemon, shallots, and sugar, mint with citrus and zucchini, mint with cucumbers and yogurt, mint with feta cheese and lentils, mint with feta cheese, peas, and rice, mint with lemon and strawberries, that's an interesting combo, and mint with olive oil, white beans, and white wine vinegar. So you've got some sweet and some savory applications here as well. So hopefully this will give you some ideas that you need. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.